In your favorite mixing bowl, add the flour, baking soda, and salt. Stir that to combine. In a separate large mixing bowl, add the butter, light and dark brown sugar, and vanilla. Stir the ingredients until everything combines. In portions, add the flour mixture to the sugar. This will create a dough mixture that is dry and crumbles easily. While stirring with the hand mixer, add the water in small portions until the entire 1/2 cup is added. With your hand, remove enough dough to form a table tennis size ball. In a plate with a small amount of table sugar, roll the dough ball around until the sugar coats the entire ball. Place this ball on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Repeat this process until the cookie sheet is filled. With your thumb, push down through the center of each ball until the dough below your thumb is about 1/4 inch thick. Do this to each ball. Add enough of your favorite jelly or jam to the thumb indent in each cookie. We use homemade apple jelly. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. If you want a more crunchy cookie, bake for an additional 4 minutes. Alright guys, now that the cookies are ready, I have Rena here with me to help me taste test these bad boys. They smell good, they look good, so we're going to give them the old college try. Rena, ladies first. What do you think? Ooh, nice crunchy sound.
They're amazing.
They're amazing. Oh, well, I can't argue with that. I better try one too if they're amazing, right? Smell really good.
I can't believe you have not made these ones before for me.
Wow.
How dare you?
Me are good.
Oh my gosh, they are so good. They are not like sweet or like too hard. They're like kind of in the middle. The flavor is like, oh my god.
And with that, please, you know what? If you like this video, slap that like button. That really does help us out a lot. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You know, subscribing really does help out YouTube creators. So please subscribe to our channel, help us out, and we will keep making content for you guys. And with that, from Rena and I want to say good luck, lots of love, and good food. We'll see you soon.
Enjoy.